But wired for success, I think, can look like anything. I have a husband who started out in the construction industry, and for him, whether it's a college path that you take or your work with your hands path that you take, we're all wired differently. And I think every mom looks at their child and wants to promote and help them be successful at what they're wired for. At least I personally, I do not look at my children and think, you have to be a doctor. You have to make a lot of money because this world's expensive. I look at it as, what are you good at and what is it that you like to do? I absolutely love my career, and I hope that most people can make that choice and have that opportunity to really enjoy their career.
A lot of kids are being pressured to go to that 4-year degree program when it may not necessarily be what they really want to do, but society, they feel, would think of them as less than if they didn't do that. So, funny story is when I was doing this class with the 8th graders and their parents, we were discussing this, and a gentleman in the class raised his hand and said, I can attest to that. And I said, what happened, So he said, my parents pushed me into engineering, which is great, it's a great career to go into. But what he felt was a big disconnect between the actual vehicle and working with his hands. So after a few years in engineering, he decided to go for automotive technology, and he said, I love what I do now.
Because I was pushed, go to college, go to college. I have 2 brothers that did not graduate from college. My husband did not graduate from college. And I think that's the biggest, it opened up my eyes to everybody is smart in their own different way. If you put my husband and I in a trivia contest, he's going to win hands down. But I got a 4.0. I don't know that always is the case. It's very important to find what it is that you're talented in and to continue to work on your strengths and develop those.